Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Netflix kid account to normal. So if you have a Netflix kid account, this one for example, let's get back, sorry. This is my kid account. So you can tap a setting or manage your profile, tap your kid account, and here you can try to scroll down and just delete your kid account, and you can try to add more account and don't turn on the kid account here, profile, kid profile here. Just create a normal profile. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.